Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we have something truly mind-blowing for you.
Have you ever seen a chef who never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and prepares the perfect cup of coffee every single time? A cook who never forgets ingredients, never burns their hands, and never ignores instructions. If you think no human could ever achieve this level of precision, you're absolutely right. Because now, this job isn't being done by a human. It's being handled by an advanced AI-powered robot that can expertly prepare coffee in a busy kitchen. Researchers at the University of Edinburgh have developed a robotic chef that mimics human hands with remarkable accuracy. Equipped with cutting-edge AI, highly sensitive sensors, and finely tuned motor skills, this robot is designed to operate in unpredictable environments. Unlike traditional robots, which rely on pre-programmed actions, this one can interpret verbal instructions, analyze its surroundings, and even figure out how to open cabinets and drawers it has never encountered before. Its most impressive feature is its ability to adapt in real time. If an object is moved or someone interrupts its process, it immediately adjusts without hesitation. This level of responsiveness has never been seen before in robotic kitchens. This groundbreaking research, published in the journal Nature Machine Intelligence, was supported by the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council, EPSRC. The lead researcher, Rorid Mon Williams, who is affiliated with the University of Edinburgh, MIT, and Princeton University, states, "We are catching a glimpse of a future where intelligent robots become commonplace. Human intelligence emerges from the integration of reasoning, movement, and perception, yet AI and robotics have often advanced separately. Our work demonstrates the power of combining these fields and highlights the growing need to discuss their societal implications." But this raises an intriguing question. Could a robotic chef truly be better than a human one? Let's dive into a fascinating comparison and see how a human cook stacks up against a robotic cook. First, let's talk about skill and experience. A human chef develops their craft through years of training, practice, and experience. They rely on their sense of taste, smell, and texture to create the perfect dish. A robot, on the other hand, operates purely based on algorithms and precise measurements. It never hesitates, never second-guesses itself, and can replicate a recipe with absolute accuracy every time. But here's the real question. Can it create that unique touch that comes from human hands? That special factor that turns a good meal into an unforgettable one? Now, let's consider speed and efficiency. In a professional kitchen, human chefs move at incredible speeds, multitasking effortlessly as they chop, mix, and cook multiple orders at once. This agility takes years to master, but a robot, it can work non-stop, never gets tired, and never needs a break. If you want the same dish prepared exactly the same way every single time, a robot is unbeatable. But when it comes to improvisation, creativity, and adjusting flavors on the fly, does a robot stand a chance? Then comes the taste factor. The ultimate test of any dish is how it tastes, and this is where human chefs shine. They can tweak seasoning, adjust spices, and modify textures based on instinct and experience. A robot, however, follows strict programming. It doesn't taste food, it just follows a formula. That means while it can ensure consistency, it might never be able to replicate the magic of a dish made by an experienced human chef. Could a robot ever make pasta that tastes like an Italian grandmother's homemade dish? Probably not. Another key aspect is flexibility and problem solving. Imagine a busy restaurant where a crucial ingredient suddenly runs out. A skilled chef will immediately find an alternative, making last-minute adjustments to maintain the dish's quality. But a robot? If an ingredient isn't in its database, it might simply stop working, get stuck, or produce an error. This is where human intelligence surpasses robotic intelligence, being able to think on the spot and adapt to unexpected challenges. Now, let's talk about human connection and emotion. Have you ever watched a master chef at work? Their passion, their energy, their personal touch. It all translates into their cooking. Every plate they serve tells a story reflecting their skill and creativity. A robot, however, is just following a set of instructions. It doesn't experiment, it doesn't innovate, and most importantly, it doesn't cook with love. So, can robots really replace human chefs? In some cases, yes. They could revolutionize fast food chains and large-scale kitchens where consistency is key. They could help automate repetitive tasks, improve efficiency, and eliminate human error. But when it comes to creating truly exceptional, one-of-a-kind dishes, human chefs still hold the crown. The big question is, would you dine at a restaurant where your meal was entirely prepared by a robot? Or do you still prefer the artistry and personal touch of a human chef who adds that special magic to every dish? The future is unfolding before us, and the answer might surprise you.